Epoxy flooring isn't just a surface, it's a transformation. It turns ordinary concrete into something seamless, durable, and visually striking. Built to resist wear, stains, and moisture, it holds up under pressure while maintaining a clean, polished look. But beyond its strength, epoxy offers versatility, subtle finishes, bold colors, even intricate patterns that elevate a space from purely functional to intentionally designed. It's low maintenance, easy to clean, and made to last, which means less time worrying about upkeep and more time enjoying the result. When durability meets design, epoxy flooring becomes more than a choice. It becomes a long-term investment in both performance and style.